Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your team photo in Trello so that your workspace looks more personalized and professional. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on Trello.com and then log in into your account. Over here, if you just scroll down a bit, you will see all of the workspaces or the boards that you have. So you need to click on your workspace name and then you will be landed here inside your board. Over here in your workspace, simply click on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Here you will be able to see the option of change background. So if you click over here, you can see you will have the options of photos, colors, and with the help of this custom option, you can also upload your own images to the board. So here, if you click on the option of photos, you can select any of the stock photographs that are available over here. For example, let's say I select this one. So after clicking on it, you need to wait for some time until this particular image is applicable on your board. As you can see over here, it will look something like this. Now, if we go back and click on the option of colors, you can click on any of the colors and you can just take a look at the preview here on your board. So you can select any of the colors of your choice and you can keep it as it is. As I said earlier, with the help of this custom option, you will be able to choose the file from your computer. So you can also do that and it will come here on your board. So this is how you can change your team photo in Trello. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.